In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to buy Meta Platforms stock on Moomoo. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, Moomoo makes stock trading accessible and straightforward. Let's dive into the steps to get you started on purchasing Meta Platforms stock. First, you'll need to open the Moomoo app on your device. If you haven't done so already, log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the app's main screen, ready to start your trading journey. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the search icon. It's typically represented by a magnifying glass. Tap on this icon to open the search bar. Here, you have the option to search for Meta Platforms by typing in the full name or by using its ticker symbol, Meta. Enter your choice in the search bar and wait for the results to populate. When the results appear, locate Meta Platforms among the list. Usually, it will be one of the top options. Tap on Meta Platforms stock to bring up its detailed information page. This page will give you insight into its current price, market trends, and other relevant data. Once you're on the Meta Platforms page, direct your attention to the bottom left of your screen where you'll see the Trade button. Tap on this to proceed to the trading options. In the trading menu, you'll want to select the Buy option since you're looking to purchase shares. This will take you to a screen where you can customize your order to fit your investment strategy. Here, you'll need to decide on the type of order you want to place. You can choose between a market order, which buys the stock at the current market price, or a limit order, which allows you to specify the price you're willing to pay. Consider your investment goals when making this decision. After selecting your order type, it's time to enter the quantity of shares you want to purchase. Type in the number of shares you'd like to buy. Make sure it aligns with your budget and investment plan. Before finalizing your purchase, take a moment to review all the order details. This is your opportunity to double-check the order type, quantity, and any other relevant information. Ensuring everything is correct helps avoid any mistakes in your transaction. Once you're satisfied with the details, tap the Buy button to initiate the purchase. You'll be prompted to confirm your order, so go ahead and confirm it. And there you have it. Your order for Meta Platform stock has been placed on Moomoo. Now, you're on your way to building or expanding your investment portfolio with Meta Platforms. Thanks for following along, and happy investing.